Japan is coming classes again after 3 weeks. And today is Saturday. Temperature here in our village, creek around is 29 or 30. And you compared in other cities like in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, I think right around 40 to 42. Also in Karachi, Lahore, Hyderabad, and some other places here in Pakistan. But alhamdulillah, in our place, we don't use any kind of what you call this, like AC, cooler, or electric fan, ceiling fan, table fan. Just only natural air. So many types of trees. These are our natural air. Looking over there, this electricity inside. As you can see the casserole or hotplate from the bottom. Hanggang doon pa yung isa pa. So, yung mga yan, gayang ito. Ayan, ito. Ito, gayang ito. Ayan. Someone is cutting their plant for wet because it's late already for them to plant corn. For us, we plant already 1 month ago. So they are cutting wet. Then after that, we will come also tractor here and plant this corn. As you can see, our plants still green. Next month, second week of next month, it's maybe this already ready. Yun bang balibanag siya, half ripe and half unripe. And also this apricots. Apricots, this one. Beautiful pink roses. Para may content na naman ako sa upload. Hirap mag-upload ng video everyday. Finish that? Finish already. Where again? Yan, tapos na dito. Doon, mamayang hapon na ito. So, mamayang hapon na ito, linisin kasi mainit. Kasi time pa lang ay 11 AM. Ayan. Yung mga damo nito ay ano, pakain yan sa kambing. Kasi marami kaming kambing. Ayun, in-stop na. Also there, Dar? Also there also? This side na lang ang ano, hindi natapos. Pero matatapos yan within 5 seconds kasi mabilis naman ito pang cutting grass.